Hey everyone, it's Hoochie from Nagios. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how the parent-child host relationship works in Nagios XI. So, what is the parent-child host relationship, you might ask? Well, it's a way to organize hosts into a hierarchical structure in XI. This can be useful for grouping related hosts together or for creating a logical flow for your monitoring. Generally, the parent host will be a device that lies in between XI and the remote host. Some examples are routers, switches, and firewalls. One advantage to the parent-child host relationship is that when a parent host goes down, all of its child hosts will be flagged as unreachable rather than down. This means that you'll only get notifications for the parent host rather than both parent and child hosts, which help reduce the amount of unnecessary notifications. Another advantage is the improved visibility of your monitoring data. You can easily see the overall health of a group of hosts just by looking at the parent host. If you want to see it graphically, that can be done through the Hypermap Order Network Status Map. And with all that said, let's get into creating a parent host and how to view the parent-child host relationship in XI.
Before going further, I want to mention that normally you only want to set one parent host, even though the interface will let you select multiple. There are rare occasions to set maybe two parent hosts, but more than that is asking for a mess. Even doing two is something you want to be extra sure that you need to do. To create a parent host, hover over the Configure tab and select Core Config Manager. Click on Host and choose the host you want as the child host, then click on the Manage Parents button. From here, you can choose whatever host you'd like as the parent. After you've selected the intended parent host, close the box and hit Save, then click Apply Configuration. The other way to set up a parent host would be after configuring a new wizard. After filling in the needed information for the first few steps of the configuration wizard you're using, you'll reach a step that has a box where you can select which host you'd like as the parent host. If you want to see the parent-child relationship from a graphical view, head back to the home page. On the left-hand side menu, go under Maps and click on Hypermap. You'll see that the Nagios process will link to the parent host first rather than directly linking to the child hosts.
And there you go. Now you know a little more about the parent-child host relationship in Nagios XI and how to utilize the feature to organize hosts, improve visibility, and troubleshoot problems faster. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. For any questions or assistance, visit support.nagios.com. Until next time, take care and happy monitoring.